If you are struggling to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails and you don't have any design skills, this video is for you. I'm going to show you two powerful ways to create viral thumbnails using AI, even if you are a complete beginner, and that too completely free without paying a single penny. So let's start with the first method. This one works for any niche. So imagine you want to create a YouTube thumbnail for a video like best video editor for PC in 2026. So instead of guessing what looks good, we are going to let AI analyze what's already working. So what we are going to do is that we are going to YouTube and search for our keyword or the topic that we are going to create a video on, and then we would download 3 or 4 thumbnails for that same topic from YouTube. So first of all, we will have to copy the links of the YouTube thumbnails, and we will have to go to a website called YouTube Thumbnails Downloader. And after downloading the thumbnails, we will upload them to Gemini, and I would provide you this prompt that I'm entering in, and then it will analyze those thumbnails and it will create a new thumbnail for us. Now there is still the scope of improvement in it, like we can do color grading later on, and you may have to do it multiple times in order to get the best results. But like for example, you can also change some things, like you can change the text size, text color, or move the subject, and you can do a lot of things like if you are not satisfied with the results. And now, without wasting time, let's move on to the second method. And for this method, we are going to take inspiration from a high performing thumbnail, and for this purpose I'm taking a thumbnail of Mr. Beast. And in this method we are using AI to recreate the structure, but with our own subject, own text, and our own concept. So like I'm uploading this thumbnail, and then I just want to change the face of the character or the main character, and I will provide the image of the character that I want to include in the thumbnail, and then simply write this prompt and then enter. And now you can see I've got the thumbnail. The character is completely replaced by the character that I provided, and like these are the two methods you can use. The first method was like in that method we took inspiration from the thumbnails that are already performing, and in the second method we recreated the thumbnails, the top thumbnails, using our own subjects, text, or our own format. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which method you are gonna try, and if you want more practical AI and YouTube growth tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm posting more videos like this very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.